Hey family, hey family, hey family. So I'm just gonna show what's blooming in February. Hope you guys are doing okay. This is one of the plum trees. Let's see which one. The Santa Rosa plum. Okay. This one started blooming this February, January. So that's why it's fuller than the other two plums. But this is the Bruce plum. All the flowers have fell out. And we got small fruits growing, small plums growing. This was the first one to break the ground, y'all. Peaches and plums are super early because they did the same thing last year. Okay, this is the third plum. Let's see which one it is. It's the Santa Rosa plum. And the other Santa Rosa looked it just like this, except it was flowers everywhere, like the whole tree. On this one, the bottom starting kind of late, but the top has already flowered. So, second variety up is the peach tree. Got little peaches starting to grow on the inside, but half of the tree is naked. So, and this is the other peach tree over here. It's like the flowers come first, then the leaves come. So we'll have a dozen to pick off and eat before it's all said and done. Like for starters, because they coming in sections. So apple trees. We got flowers coming slowly but surely. And what apple is this? This is the Granny Smith. Got a few here. That's Granny Smith again. Golden Delicious. It's bare. Oh, I see some action at the top. Right there. There's some action going on. Golden Delicious. No action on it. And I didn't prune neither one of the Golden Delicious this year. I just didn't get around to it, family. Got my Hardy Kiwis. It was right along with the plums, y'all. Just busting at the seams. Last year, it vined on itself. So as soon as it went dormant, we came out here and we unbraided it because that's what it do. It's like it braid into itself. So we just unbraided it and put these T-posts in the buckets and put each vine on a T-post and just let it vine up the T-post. That's fine. Blackberries are coming in. Still got some old leaves from last year. They'll fall off. I try to pick it all off, but you can't get it all. But it's already started. So we'll have blackberries again this year. Y'all, them little free T-posts came in handy. Y'all see I done went and got some more. They lined up. Now my grapes haven't broke the ground running yet. So I need to get out here and check. It shouldn't be dead. I mean, they survived year 4 last year. But I would think they would be coming back. Look, see how they broke? Let me see, y'all. I'm gonna have to get a something sharp to see if the bark is green. Cause you can expect little stuff on the edge to break from all the ice and snow and all this stuff. But this would be the grapes' 3rd year. They was bare root. Okay. I said we were gonna see what's blooming, but I might as well do see what's blooming / garden tour. Y'all, it's been raining like crazy every day. So I had to get out here and do some work today. Oh, the damn mud. I'm just sick of it. Okay. These are the broccolis. Oh, we got a little head, y'all. We got a little broccoli head forming. Isn't it beautiful? And I believe with broccoli, you can harvest a couple of times. Everything just behind, but it is what it is. Carrots. Cabbages coming along, I guess. It's trying to form a head. But guess what, y'all? If they don't form a head, I'm going to try again. But I'm going to eat these leaves. Some of the carrots are farther along than others. And we still got some small ones coming. They just doing their thing. I don't care. The little lettuce over there just so far behind. I was trying to start some, I was trying to grow something that we haven't grown yet. Because this will be our 3rd year. So we're trying to get what we like. Try some new things out. So each year you get better. So look at all that mud, y'all. I'm going to put some wood chips through there. Just like I did on this side. I just put a little extra bag. I mean a little extra that was left out of a bag. But I'm going to get some more to go in between here. That way baby don't have to weed eat between there so much. But yep, we added 2 more beds, y'all. With the beds, we did it exactly like we did the first 2. That's not copper fungicide in there. There's some neem oil in there. Trying to get ahead of these bugs, y'all. But we did it the exact same way we did the first 2. I'll link that video. But the only difference is in the bottom, we didn't use a tarp, the blue tarp. We used garden fabric. And just, we adding dirt as we go along. So, but same size, 4x8s. Same style. We just using the garden fabric. This little black stuff right here. Yeah, let's finish seeing what's blooming. Alright, so this is a lemon. And we got blooms on it. That shiny stuff, that's a neem oil. A cutting from last year. It's a page. We got blooms on it. This a key lime we got from somewhere. It's done lost a lot of leaves. Oh yes, y'all. I done already started my started some seeds. I'm finna start another tray. Soon as I finish doing this little walkthrough. Let's look at them. See if anybody done came up. They done been in here about 2 days. Oh, I see somebody sticking up. A Boston, a bush bean sticking up. What else? What is this? A cauliflower sticking up. It's like I see a yellow bush bean over there coming. So they doing good for day 2. And it's warm in this greenhouse, even though it's chilly outside. Y'all, we're gonna do a part 2. I had to keep the greenhouse warm in the wintertime. Soon as fall hit. Because we had to twerk some stuff from part 1. What is this we got? The Columbundin. Columbundins was doing good, and then they just fell off, y'all. But I transplanted all these to some bigger pots. All these Columbundins. But they doing good, and they beautiful. Luscious. Got new growth, because they was real small when we got them last year. So, they doing good. This one right here is flimsy. I fed it and watered it in good when I transplanted it, so it should come back. Same with this one. See how one side is the old leaves from last year, and then all this is new growth from after I transplanted it. Okay, this is the ruby red grapefruit that gave us fruits last year. It's tons of buds coming in on it, like everywhere. And look at all this new growth, y'all. Tons and tons of new growth. And this is the ruby red. It's coming back with a vengeance. Okay, this one here is, this is the Page Mandarin. They didn't give us anything last year, but the flowers is coming. Y'all know, before I started with the citrus, and there go a little baby growing right there. When I started with the citrus, everybody used to always say, "Oh, citrus smells so citrusy and sweet, like the blossom smell good." I never could smell it. But in the greenhouse, you can most definitely smell it, y'all. And it is a wonderful, pleasant smell. This still the Page. The Page is loaded, y'all. Loaded. Okay. On to the Satsuma. We got flowers on it. This is the Satsuma. Got some new growth coming in. We love new growth. Moving on. This is the Meyer Lemon. And it is loaded. Loaded, loaded. It's everywhere, y'all. Loaded, loaded. Alright, family. I had to get up out of there real quick. Because like I said, it's super duper warm in there. And I'm already sweating because I'm out here trying to get as much done while I can. While we got some sun and not so much of that rain. But yep, everything is going great. I've been missing in action, y'all, for about a month. But we've been around here working, taking care of the family, learning and studying more about gardening, being self-sufficient. So we ain't gone nowhere. We still here, y'all. But that's gonna be the end of the video. Oh, my marigolds. I'm gonna link my marigold harvest, marigold seed harvest, and the raised bed to this for people who haven't seen it. But my marigolds, y'all, that I harvest the seeds, they are coming up. I just sprinkled them in the pots I had them in last year. Like a week ago. It's been like a week. All those are marigolds coming in. And I'm going to take them and transplant them out of these because I put a lot of seeds in each one. Because I had so many heads. But they coming in, y'all. I don't know what this is, but I saved it because I didn't want to throw it away. I wanted to see what it was first. And this one, I don't see any coming in. Nope. But yep, that's the end of what's blooming in February. The end of February. And I got my potatoes in, y'all. But that's a separate video. It's literally potatoes that we saved and we let them sprout, and I planted them. So that whole bed and the back of this bed is potatoes. But I found these garlic bulbs. So I'm going to open them and I'm going to tear them apart because each piece of garlic should give you a whole nother clove of garlic. So I'm going to go ahead on and get these in the ground, y'all. Start my next seed tray. Got it already prepped and ready to roll. Just got to water it in before I take it in the house to put my seeds in. Yeah. So I'm going to do these garlic pieces first. I'm probably stick them right here in the front and be done with it. And start my seed tray. And I'm out of this piece, y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Leave your questions in the comments. And we'll see you all damn spring and summer. Peace.